Welcome to Boracay, the world-famous island paradise of the Philippines. Known for its powdery white sand, turquoise waters, and stunning sunsets, Boracay promises a perfect mix of relaxation and adventure for every traveler. At the heart of Boracay is White Beach, a 4-kilometer stretch of paradise lined with palm trees, cozy resorts, and beachside restaurants. Looking for fun and excitement? Try parasailing, helmet diving, or island hopping to explore hidden coves and nearby islets. For thrill seekers, kite surfing at Bulabog Beach will give you that rush you'll never forget. When the sun goes down, Boracay transforms into a lively haven of lights, laughter, and music. Enjoy beachfront bars, local seafood feasts, and fire dancing shows under the stars. Boracay may be small, but it's big in heart. Best time to visit, November to May. Perfect weather for that dream island escape. So whether you're here to swim, party, or simply breathe in the beauty of paradise, Boracay will always welcome you with sunshine and smiles. Discover, relax, and fall in love with Boracay, Philippines.